Okay, mga moms, mga tol, for exercise, tara sabayan nyo ako live to. Okay, ready? Position na higa, hand sa may batok. 3, 2, 1, go. Ankle touch. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Reach nyo yan. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, exhale. Exhale, 9. One more. Okay, good. Rest for a couple of seconds. Inhale, exhale. Position, kamay sa batok ulit. Bicycle crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to reach your knees and elbows. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more and stop. Good job. Hinga. Inhale, exhale. Relax. 5 seconds lang to. Position ulit. Ready? Dolphin raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more. Okay, stop. Okay, rest muna. Isa na lang, last one. Don't stop. 2 to 3 set yung gagawin natin, ha. Ready? Position. Go. Flutter kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push. 8, 9, and good job. Yon mga tol. I hope nakasabay kayo, mga moms. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.